everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about our RV folding step stools. The RV folding step stool is constructed of durable polypropylene with a UV package to prevent color change and polymer degradation over time. It holds up to 300 pounds. The non-slip surface is roughly 12 by 13 inches, it stands 9 inches tall, and folds down to roughly 2 inches, making it incredibly easy to store in your RV or any confined space. It's available in 3 colors. We've got tan and black, yellow and black, and silver. The RV folding step stool from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one.
Camco's new Adirondack tables create a convenient tabletop in any situation. These lightweight tables are the perfect addition to your campsite, patio, pool, or home. Use it as a side table for drinks, snacks, keys, as a footrest, a dinner table for one, or extra countertop space. The possibilities are endless. The Adirondack table is easy to set up. Simply unfold the legs, click them into place, and it's ready to go. When you're done, the Adirondack table folds flat so you can store it just about anywhere. Weighing in at just under 3 pounds, these lightweight tables are made of durable polypropylene and are UV stabilized so they won't fade or become brittle in the sun. All the hardware is weather resistant and won't rust. Camco's Adirondack tables come in 2 sizes, a large and a small, and each size is available in 4 different colors. So pick the size and color that best suits your needs and get yourself an Adirondack table or 2 today from Camco.
Tired of your pans looking stained and old? Hi, this is Christy with Circulon, the original pioneer of hard anodized nonstick cookware with premium nonstick on the inside and the outside for high performance. Delicious recipes don't always stay put in the pan. Unlike other cookware, Circulon is coated with premium nonstick inside and out, so cleanup is a breeze, and splatters don't become unsightly stains. It's the difference you can see and get with Circulon, coated on the inside and the outside